Here, welcome to tonight's lightning ball draw. Today, this is the 216th lightning ball draw in the world. We made it land. First ball out, number 55. Second ball out, number 51. Third ball out, number 79. Fourth ball out, number 5. Fifth ball out, number 70. Sixth and final number is number 31. And the lightning ball is 85. Those numbers again in the same order are 5, 31, 51, 55, 70, 79, and the lightning ball is 85. That was tonight's lightning ball draw. I'll see you all in a minute for tonight's Game Centre, Daily Lesson, Bingo draw, and Euro Billions draw. Bye for now.